Welcome to my mini-series on the Chartbrew plugin. This is a new mini-series dedicated to learning how to set up and use a new piece of software called the Chartbrew plugin for the STRAPI Headless CMS software. That's a mouthful. If you don't know what STRAPI is, or what a headless CMS does, you should go to their website to learn more at www.strapi.io. That's STRAPI.io. This STRAPI software is one of the most amazing technological breakthroughs that I have seen in a long time. It is a free and very powerful and customizable piece of open source software. Chartbrew is also another piece of open source technology that is both amazing and useful. By using the Chartbrew plugin for STRAPI, you are able to bring in analytics and data visualizations easily into your STRAPI-based projects. Many people and organizations are craving easier ways to visualize all of their data on various data sets that they may have access to. Here are a few screenshots to show you what this looks like once it is up and running. The primary objective in this mini-series is to walk you through the overall steps that it takes to get it working on your local Microsoft Windows computer system. I said overall steps because in order to keep the length of the video shorter, some previous knowledge on your part is assumed. Longer, more in-depth videos could be created in the future. Additionally, there's a flowchart you can see in the overlay that is visually depicting the steps we will be going through in order to get it working on the Windows 10 operating system. So with all that said, let's take an exciting journey and see how to get this up and running from scratch. I listed some tips and tricks or hints to consider before getting started on this project. Number 1. Look in the description of this video for links to the resources I will be mentioning throughout this video or mini-series. Number 2. In the YouTube video description below, you will see a link to a specific flowchart I made in relation to this video or mini-series. If you click on that link, you will be taken to an interactive version of the flowchart on one of my websites. Once you see that flowchart on my website, you can click on many things in that flowchart, and those hyperlinks will take you to the individual websites and resources that you see throughout my videos. I find it very helpful to have a visual representation of the overall process we will be following along with in the videos. Number 3, I'm using a Windows 10 development computer system. If you're using a Linux or a Mac, the exact instructions and syntax may not work exactly the same on your system, but the overall steps to follow should be similar. If you get stuck or have issues, you will have to consult the documentation for the individual tools for more information on your system or environment. I use the free Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, for all my code editing needs. You can download it from Microsoft's website, link in the description below. Number 5. You may want to consider making a backup of your system before making changes. I try to follow that approach anytime when it's possible to do so. Number 6, with all that said, let's have some fun and jump into the videos now. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.